Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use the properties of logarithms to simplify differentiation. Before I begin, I'm gonna go ahead and write the properties of the natural log. So property number 1, natural log of 1 is equal to 0. Property number 2, natural log of a times b is equal to natural log of a plus natural log of b. Property number 3, natural log of a over b is equal to natural log of a minus natural log of b. Property number 4, natural log of a to the power of r is equal to r natural log of a. Okay, so this is just some side work, some properties we're gonna need. Let's go ahead and give an example so we can apply those properties. Let's say you're given a function f of x that is equal to, let's say, natural log of x minus 2 divided by, let's say, x plus 7. I'm just going to keep it simple. Just going to try to apply some of those properties, and you're asked to get the derivative. Get the derivative of f of x. Okay, first thing you need to do is write d over dx of your function f of x, which is natural log of x minus 2 over x plus 7. Now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the square root as a power of 1/2. So d over dx of natural log x minus 2 over x plus 7 to the power of 1/2. So again, that power 1/2, I'm just going to go ahead and write the property down here. So if you have the square root of a, it's the same thing as a to the power of 1/2. Okay, now we keep going. By applying property number 4, as you see right here, you have power r that you brought to the front of the natural log. It's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use that property number 4 to bring the power 1/2 to the front of natural log, and since it's a constant, we can just bring it outside of the d over dx. So it's 1/2 d over dx. Now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the expression x minus 2 over x plus 7. Okay, now we have x minus 2 over x plus 7. We can go ahead and use the property number 3. In this case, your a is x minus 2 and your b is x plus 7. So by applying property number 3, we can rewrite that expression as 1/2 d over dx of natural log of x minus 2 minus natural log of x plus 7. Okay, now if you have natural log of a function g of x and you were asked to get the derivative of this whole expression, it's the same thing as getting the derivative of what's inside the natural log over that function itself that is inside the natural log. So if we have natural log of g of x and we're trying to get the derivative of that expression, it's basically the derivative of g of x over g of x itself. So let's go ahead and apply this property. So that's equal to, I'm just going to try to keep the equal sign here, so 1/2 of, in this case your g of x, the first term right here is x minus 2. So the derivative of x minus 2 with respect to x is just 1. Then again we divide by g of x itself, in this case it's x minus 2. I'm going to do the same thing for the second term. Take the derivative of x plus 7 with respect to x. It's 1 divided by x plus 7. Okay, and then here you go. You have simplified the expression and took the derivative in a few simple steps by applying those properties. So f prime of x is equal to 1/2 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 7. You can keep going and simplify it a little more by getting the common denominator and rewrite the expression, but we're just gonna stop right here. And then here is your final answer.